Today we're going to be taking this Arrma Kraton RC truck, we're going to be jumping it over, and we're going to be trying to hit down some pins in what is really a unusual game of RC bowling. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Roadside RC. My name is Troy. On this channel, what you'll see some drifting, bashing, racing, crawling, all that kind of stuff. You'll see how we can fix the vehicles, and you'll also see some tools and tricks and parts that we use along the way. Today, Driftomaniacs Week 9 Viral Video Challenge RC Bowling. We're going to be using our Arrma Kraton. We have to jump it over a 6-foot gap, land at least 2 tires on the other side of it, and then see how many of the 10 pins we can knock down. A couple things that we've noticed. So we've been watching some other people's entries. A couple things you'll see. The pins, they go everywhere. And I'm lazy. I don't want to have to chase them. And so we've put up a wall around the backside to keep them contained. Using the water bottles because it's nice and tall and somewhat skinny. I think they'll fall over easy. The thing that we're really going to struggle with is we've seen a lot of people come in and they knock down a swath of them, but it's really hard to get these outside pins. I don't think I've seen maybe one total frame so far where everybody hit all the pins down, but otherwise got a 10. Otherwise it's been pretty hard so far. We're really aiming to get a score. You get 3 shots at it. Hit the pins, knock them back up, do it again. You get 3 shots. I think best score right now is either 25, 26, so we really have our work cut out for us. Oh, hey, 8. All right, go for it, Lou. Clear? Oh! Only 4. It went sideways on me when I hit the gas. Plus 5 again. So 8 plus 4 plus 5. This is not going well at all. All right, so this is, man, you guys that got 20 plus, kudos. I have no idea. This is hard. We have something secret up our sleeve though. We'll be right back. Okay, so the boys and I have figured out, we made a bumper modification. This is it's a new Basher bumper. Have you guys ever seen the really big T-bone ones? They almost stick out past the tires. This is the Roadside RC Basher Bumper. Let's see how that does. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey, 10. All right, set them up, go, 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 team.
Catch number 2.
Hey, all 10 again, barely, all 10. Fingers crossed. We need to hit all of them. Ready?